For many plants in the garden, pruning is necessary. Its purpose is to rejuvenate trees and shrubs, remove disease and pest outbreaks, and regulate flowering and fruiting. Properly pruned shrubs grow better and look more attractive, have lusher foliage, more flowers and fruits, and more beautifully coloured stems. To cut thin branches and shoots, there can be used a one-handed pruner. For cutting thicker branches with a diameter of 16, 18 to 45 mm, there can be used a two-handed lopper. It is a very practical tool that can be handy in almost any garden. Two-handed loppers are useful for removing both thicker branches of trees and shrubs, but also old, hard parts of plants. It is worth choosing a two-handed lopper that would enable carrying out the cutting without much effort, and which can serve for many years. When choosing this type of tools, it is worth noting whether a lopper has a gear that increases cutting power. It is important for such a tool to be also lightweight. This can be guaranteed by aluminium handles, which apart from lightness are also characterized by high strength. Selections include two-handed bypass and anvil loppers. What is more, we can also find these tools with straight or telescopic arms. The longer the arms, the greater the reach of the tool. This makes trimming easier. Longer arms increase the cutting power by operating like leverage. The telescopic variant allows quick and easy extension of the handles by additional 31 centimeters. This adjustment is gradual, and 31 centimeters is the maximum value. The non-slip safe touch surface ensures a secure grip and comfort of use. Also worth noting are blades. When they are covered with a non-stick coating, juice or resin does not stick to their surface. This also makes it easier to clean them after work. In bypass loppers, both blades are rounded and are used to cut fresh branches and shoots. In anvil loppers, the lower blade, called shear bar, is wide, and the upper blade, called cutting blade, is thin and sharp. Such a construction enables cutting without much effort. Therefore, loppers of this type are used for trimming dry branches and shoots. A good quality two-handed lopper is the most practical tool for cutting trees and bushes. It is light and pleasant to work with. Using a bypass lopper gives a possibility to cut branches smoothly, close to the trunk or guide. Although there are different pruning rules for different trees and shrubs, the goal is always the same: to ensure the development of the plant, to give it the right shape, to thin out plants growing too densely, and to allow plants to set many flower buds and bear fine fruit later.